my name is Reina. Welcome to my channel if you are new, and welcome back if you've been here before. Given the title of the video, you guys are probably here because you know that I'm going to be doing another Ardene haul. I received my September package yesterday, and as I mentioned before, although these items are gifted, I get to choose all of the items, and so these are items that I personally love and want to share with you guys. And so if you're interested in seeing what some of those are, then keep watching, and don't forget, when you're making your own purchases, I have my code ReinaLoves20, which you can use at checkout. Let's get into it. The first item that I want to show you guys is actually this sweater, and it's a variation on the Dutch oil painting by Johan Vermeer, and I believe it's called The Girl with the Pearl Earring. And so here you can see the infamous pearl earring, but what Ardene's design decided to do was add some modern day clips as well as a scrunchie. So it's kind of cool. I think it's a really cute variation, and being someone who loves artwork and loves to paint and is particularly fond of oil portraits, this was just a sweater that I really wanted to get and include in my fall wardrobe. And I got this one in a large because I wanted it to fit a little bit bigger. I could have even gone maybe a size up because I wanted it to kind of have that oversized feel, which it definitely does, but I would even recommend, you know, maybe like an extra large or something. But I'm really happy with this. So yeah. Next item is this heart chain necklace. Now you guys are going to notice that for a lot of these items, they're still in their packages because I wanted it to kind of be a first opinion or reaction to the items as well. And so this is just a really cute heart, I guess, choker. I think it's a choker. So I'm gonna try this on for you guys one time. I don't even know. Yeah, oh no, that's kind of cute. I like that detail. So this is what the heart necklace looks like, which I think I'm just gonna keep it on for the rest of the video because it works with my Ardene earrings that I showed you guys in the last haul. And it's just really cute. I love the fact that it opens up here. That's really, really different. I thought I'd just keep on going with the accessories. So Ardene also has a really amazing selection of masks. So I got this mask and it has the letter R on it for Reina, or maybe even renegade fashion. And then I just got a simple black one. My grandma is adorable and makes really, really beautiful masks. And I have some colorful ones, but I just kind of wanted, you know, a simple black mask that you can wear with anything. Yeah, so that's basically it. It's kind of cute. There's the R detail, and they have obviously other letters. I don't know if they have all the letters of the alphabet though. I have to be honest and say that I didn't necessarily notice that they did on the website. I know they have for sure an R, and I saw an E the last time I was on. But these are really cute, and of course they're washable. And they have adjustable ends, so it's really a one-size-fits-all thing, and I love that because I think one of the issues that people might find in wearing a mask all day is the fact that sometimes it just kind of really bothers the back of your ear if it is tight and there's some tension there. So I love the fact that they have this detailing there. And then I just got one that's also in black. It's just kind of almost like a cutout thing. So it's like this. And there you have it. I also got this corduroy hat. I don't know, to me, corduroy and fall are synonymous. And I've been wanting a bucket hat. I love the fact that it's also black because it can go with so many different things. So yeah, this is just a cute little accessory that I'm excited to style. I also got this really cute Gangnam style dress with adjustable straps, and I thought that this could be really cute in the fall with a turtleneck underneath. And so actually, next item that I want to show you guys is this white turtleneck. When I try it on, I will try them on together, so you don't have to worry about that. Hopefully what I've envisioned when I was kind of perusing online will come to fruition. And so yeah, it's just a really soft turtleneck, and I got it in white, and I believe that they also have black When I was shopping, the black had sold out, but I think it's kind of nice to have a white turtleneck as well. Do I need to say anything? I mean, guys, this is exactly what I pictured. So this is one way that you can kind of like dress up this dress. And then I'm going to show you how I would maybe make it a little bit more casual. So let's take a look. So this is the dress down version. I have my moon boots, and then I have the corduroy bucket hat. Again, guys, I'm always talking about versatile pieces, but this is the perfect example where you have something that can be dressed up and down, that this dress on its own can be styled for the summer with no turtleneck underneath. I could also pair a t-shirt underneath this. That would also be really cute. I could wear Air Force Ones instead of these boots. I can take off the bucket hat. Guys, the options are endless. I also got these pants. They're kind of like almost a stretch legging sort of thing. And I think that these would look really nice with tall boots and a chunky knit sweater, or even the turtleneck. I'm gonna try it with that as well. And I love the fact that they have these seams in the front. I don't know if you can see them. But yeah, these are really, really cute. So this is the top. I forgot to mention that this is a cropped turtleneck, which is kind of cute because these are high-waisted. And I don't know about you, but they kind of remind me of horseback riding pants, and I'm going horseback riding really soon, which I'll probably vlog. And so I think I might just wear this whole outfit. So if you guys see it then you'll know that this is really a perfect horseback riding outfit. And yeah, then here is what the pants look like in the back. And that's about it. Now, speaking of comfort, I got this tie-dye set. And so there's the pants, which have a nice thick band and drawstring. I got these in a medium, but really and truly, I could have gotten them in a large because I just wanted them to fit a little bit loose. Like I like when my sweaters and things fit loose because I feel like they should. And so they fit well, like they fit me if I wanted it to be kind of fitted. So if you normally do wear a small, I would say size up and get a medium, and the same is said with any other size, just size up, because these fit like a small to me, at least. It's just a really cool gray, and they have they also have it in a blue. They also have, I think, kind of like a cotton candy colorway with like pink and lavenders and stuff like that. So if you want more color, then that's definitely an option. The last item that I want to show you guys are these pair of white boots. I call these my moon boots because they're just so thick. And these are good for fall, but maybe can even transition into winter. I'm not sure yet, of course. Thank God, because fall's my favorite season. Winter is beautiful, but it's just a little too long. Overstays its welcome, if you ask me. So I'll see if these are good for winter, but during the filming of this video, my camera died, and so I went in between takes and I did some content, and I tried these on, and one thing that I have to say is that they are a little bit snug. Maybe I could have gone a half size up. And the other thing is that sometimes these laces kind of come out of their hook, I guess you would call this, and so that's just a little bit annoying, but I don't know if that's just because I haven't taken the time to lace them up, you know, adequately. So I'll try that out and see and update you guys on, you know, whether or not this laces problem is a real problem or not. But I really like them, and I would recommend them, especially again if you have those transitional outfits that, you know, require some white boots or white shoes, but oftentimes you don't really get white boots, and so I decided, let's try it. Alright guys, that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please let me know what some of your favorite items were in the comments down below. And again, as I said in the beginning of this video, if you are thinking about purchasing any Ardene item, be sure to use my code ReinaLoves20 to get 20% off your entire purchase. And if you are curious what I got in August from Ardene and you haven't seen that yet, then be sure to check that video out in the meantime. I also give a few facts on Ardene if you're curious about the company or even have no idea what the company is, then hopefully that will also be helpful. Have the best week and I will see you so soon. Mwah.